Alright, hello everyone and welcome back again. So my name's Alicia for those that are new here. So in case you guys haven't seen on social media, everyone and their dog is doing the freaking Bratz challenge right now on Instagram and YouTube. So I thought I would do my take on it. It's not as glam as other people's. This was a part of the final look without the wig and everything. But if you want to see how this look turned out for me, stay tuned and keep watching. Otherwise, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Otherwise, thank you so much. Alright, so to start off the Bratz challenge, we're going to go in with the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. Followed by the Becca, it's the Under Eye Brightening Cream, so it's this guy here.
I make mistakes now, 'cause
For foundation, today we are going to be using the Wet and Wild in Soft Beige. It's honestly a pretty good foundation. It's pretty comparable to the YSL All Nighter one. I like them both, but this one's a little darker, so today we're going for this guy.
I'm one that's better than this, so don't be too offended. I have to leave this night.
For concealer, we're going in with the Huda Beauty High Coverage Concealer. It's really nice. I use the color in Nougat. A little bit goes a really long way, so just remember that when you're putting it on, don't cake it on. A little goes a really long way. So to set everything, we're going to go in with the Huda Beauty. I use the banana bread shade. Okay, so I feel like this eye look isn't really fun with the Bratz doll. I'll show you the photo that I'm kind of looking off of. It's a very like smoky brown look, so it's not as exciting, but that's okay. So we're going to go in with the Soft Glam. Just going to put this all over the lid just for a base. Go in with the burnt orange shade and probably mix it with the sienna.
Never use my voice, but I have a choice now. Before I gave in to quick, was the one who backed down. Wanna feel
Alright, so honestly looking at the photo, it kind of looks like it has a greeny brown shade to it. So bringing out the old classic Naked One palette. This was like my very first makeup palette. I haven't used it in so long, but she's seen some things, as you can see. Working up the crease with the shade Buck.
me, no, I'm not fitting in. I packed my things to go, am I being naive? But it's my choice to make, it's my new rebellious way.
And really just want to make sure that is all blended out. So next we're going to go in with a mix of the Dark Horse here as well as Smog. It'll be an interesting look. I get to go to work wearing this makeup, but it's okay. We're gonna stick with this for eyeshadow. It's kind of like a dark, smoky. There's a bit of green in there, as you can see. And then work on the face. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. This one is the powder one. Just gonna take this banana shade and just go under my eyes a little bit. So going back to the eyes, we're gonna take this small Morphe brush and take Buck here.
We're shutting down our minds, we just wanna.
And then we're gonna be taking this Morphe bronzer brush and going back in with the contour kit. Doing a mix of these guys.
When I hear the bass play on the floor, I just wanna let out my roar. Can't wait no more.
So I'm gonna add a little more warmth, and I'm going in with the Becca Be a Light palette. And I'm just gonna use this bronzer here.
Just put your hands up in the air.
Next we're going in with this tiny Gimme Brow. I used it in yesterday's little sample video. I actually liked it, so I might as well just use it again today.
Dancing like we're animals.
Bratz dolls have such thin eyebrows, and I was gonna do that, and I was gonna like do the NARS glue and, you know, paint it on kind of thing. If I wasn't going to work, honestly, I would, but it won't be able, so sorry. Alright, so next we're gonna give it a little highlight, going in with MAC Extra Dimensional Skin Finish in Oh Darling, and just using the small Real Techniques brush. I'm also going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole palette. I don't know why I said her name so weird. Just going to go in with these guys here. I don't actually know if Bratz dolls have like a lot of highlight on, but I feel like if I was a Bratz doll, I don't know a lot of highlight, so we're just going to go for it. And then for a blush, we're going in with the Narcissus palette. It's the Wanted One. So I feel like this Bratz doll has a really white waterline, so we're just gonna go in with this NYX water pencil. I think it's in color light, closest thing to what I could find. So I feel like Bratz dolls have such wing liner. Honestly, I haven't done a wing line in a while, so fingers crossed I don't look crazy. But we're going in with the Stila, focus, come on. Anyways, it is the Stila All Day Waterproof Eyeliner. Hopefully it all goes. Here is our finished winged eyeliner. It's not as crazy as the Bratz doll. Again, I do have to go to work, so I don't want to look too much like a psychopath, but alright. I think we're going to go in now. I'll probably do my eyelashes off camera, and I'll just show you which ones that I used. To line our lips, we're going to go in with this little Marc Jacobs liner.
It kind of feels like this.
Okay, so Bratz dolls always have like super overlined lips, so we're not gonna go too wild. This is like a toned down, everyday Bratz makeup look, but it's fine.
You can stick around. I don't know what it is about you, but
Alright, so next we're going in with a matte lipstick. It is in Peach Blossom.
highway, the wind in our hair makes us look like movie stars.
Here's the look so far. I am gonna go and put eyelashes on, wig on, outfit on, and I'll come back with a completed Bratz inspired look for you. But yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so I just thought that I would show you what kind of lashes that I'm using. So I'm going to use the Huda Beauty in Farrah. It is number 12. I always use these guys with the Huda Beauty lash glue. That's just my favorite lash glue. I find that's really easy to use and it lasts for a long time, but that's just my preference. Alright, so just while this is drying, I don't have mascara underneath. That's just my preference. I don't like to put it on before I put eyelashes on, but I feel like I did a very wispy, full set of eyelashes. It's pretty similar to what a Bratz doll wears. I feel like this looks coming together. Anyways, I'm just going to put the wig on and again the outfit on, and I'm back. I am back and this is my completed look. This wig is honestly horrible. It is super shiny. It was supposed to be light pink. It is like a weird orangey pink, but that's all I could find for this video, so I'm so sorry, but this is it. It is not a lace front wig. It is, I don't know, it looks like a 5-year-old cut it with scissors, but that's okay. It was for this video only, so it's fine. Anyways, this is the completed look here.
Oh, I just wanna be close to you.